You've been wondering how to use that smoke setting? I know you have. That P setting, smoke setting, it's also confusing, isn't it? Okay, so stick around to the entire video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what the P setting is and how to use it on your Pit Boss Pro Series 850. Check it out, you guys. So I'm gonna be making some salmon, but let me show you guys how to use this P setting, all right? Because I know it's hard to understand even with the instructions. So let me tell you what to do. All right, guys, to adjust this P setting, what you want to do is go here. You see that P1? So you can move this P1, right? Hit this button. Let's go ahead and put 10 minutes for that P1. When you adjust your temperature, do it at 200. Now you're at the P setting, smoke setting. So whenever you're smoking, you got to be within basically the lowest setting, which is S, smoke. That's like 5 degrees, right? That's the lowest one, but it's preset a lot lower at about 170. But if you go to 200, 225, 250 is good. But if you go above it, then you're not at smoke setting anymore. So make sure you stay at 225 and under. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and stay at 225. Go back to recipe and then hit that button. Let's go to time. Let's do every 5 minutes. Okay, so that's your P setting. It's set already. We had sent it at let's do 250 is good. All right, now we're gonna go to, if we hit P2, we can go ahead and adjust this time. You can do 5 minutes as well. Okay, and let's hit this at 250 as well. So now we pretty much adjusted the smoke setting on this thing, and it's operating at the P1 setting, and it's every 5 minutes this auger is going to be pushing out these pellets and bringing in that smoke. Okay, so that P means for pause, and basically the lower the P setting, the faster it feeds the pellets in, creating higher temperature. The higher the P setting, right? Let's see, you go all the way up. There's all the way up to like P8, P9. Then the longer it takes for it to feed the pellets, meaning more smoke. And the way you set it, basically, once you get to that P1, you set your desired time, right? And once you're here and it's flashing, you set your temperature, you just hold it. Hold this button. Boom, you're done. You're officially set your smoke setting, all right? Which is the P setting on this one. And that's the way you do it, guys. So, like I said, you can start to change this. You can go to P1, P3. Some people like somewhere between P3 and P4. I always just set it P5 or 6. I just set it for 5 minutes, and it's been working out well for me. But you can have it where it feeds 5 minutes, and it's been working out well for me. But you can have it where it feeds every 2 minutes, all right, or 3 minutes, however you like. But again, to set it, make sure you're under 250. Let's say 225 for now. Hold the button. Boom. Now you're set. Make sure you don't run out of pellets too. All right. So I got my salmon in here. It's smoking low. As you can see, you can see this auger here. That's when it's feeding those pellets. You can hear it. Okay, so the P setting is doing its job. Now it's just a matter of waiting, guys. I know this P setting is pretty confusing, but I've been doing some research in. I've had this grill for like 3 years. Finally figured it out. You know, it's taken a while. I've made some videos in the past about this, but this one I feel like is really gonna help you guys understand the process of what's going on with this grill. Just remember, anything under 250 is smoke temperature for that P setting, which is the smoke setting. All right, some of the older model Pro Series or Pit Bosses, they actually had an S, which was for smoke setting. This is not the same. It has a P setting. That's why it's confusing for a lot of folks. You can see a lot of people are searching for this kind of thing because they don't know. All right, so if this video is useful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out all my other playlists. I have a ton of cooking videos for you guys. I want to help you guys out and learn how to cook on the grill or in the kitchen. All right, see you guys on the next one.